What is going on YouTube? We are back. This is gonna be my only video this week. And yeah, absolutely printed and biggest day ever, biggest trading day ever, you could say. But it's more nuanced than that. So let's get straight into it. I'm gonna show y'all how I did it, the mistakes I made, and how I made $6,000. All right. So this is the first mistake last night. Was trading Asia session, just like saying YOLO, you know what, I'll throw a heavy size long on. And as you can see, it ended up working out. And when I go over to P&L, we're going to see 1328 on 5 and then 600 on 15 because I was risking about this much. My fill on here, I don't even know what happened with it, but this account was close to being blown. As you can see, distance to drawdown is now under drawdown. So boom, that one's gone. But these ones are chilling. These ones were down a good bit, and now they're chilling. Back up to 2400, 2200, 2500, 2500, 2500. And yeah, gonna have to deal with a consistency rule, but I'm fine with that. But yeah, let's get into how this was my biggest day and how it really shouldn't have been. But that's 6,650. So yeah, 6K across these 5 accounts. But just wanted to show y'all the P&L. But yeah, basically day before this, I took a very heavy size loss, like 500 bucks. I don't know if I posted a video, but I was very busy that day, and that's just an excuse. But yeah, I didn't make a video. And then yesterday took this trade, very heavy size. I just knew that we were going to come up to this high here. So I was like, okay, whatever. Went break even at this high. Break even at this high because we had SMT, and then boom, we came down, didn't stop us out, and then boom, we pumped higher. My limit got filled, my profit target got filled, and made 1,300, 1,600 totaling across the accounts. So yeah, my biggest day ever, but not in a good way, man. You know, because why am I trading Asia session? Like straight up, there's literally no point to trade Asia. Yeah, I mean, it ended up working out, but bro, can't be doing that. Cannot be doing that, my guy. And that's just a fact, bro. There's literally no point to trade Asia. And now that the account balances are way higher, literally just gonna trade for like a month straight, low risk, $200 risk, max like 2 or 3 L's per week, and literally just see what happens at the end of the month, because each account needs 2K for a payout. So it's gonna take a while. And yeah, but that's what happened last night. Didn't trade today, not trading the rest of the week because of the fact that I traded Asia. That's just not a good thing, bro. Should not be trading Asia. That is for sure. And I don't even care what price action did today. Why am I on the 2 minute? But yeah, this is some wicked price action, bro. Where's open? Since open, we've just been going higher. This is horrible price action. I'm glad I did not trade today. That is for sure. And I'm not freaking even thinking about trading for the rest of the week. And we'll see if I want to come back next week. But yeah, biggest day ever. 6K on the day, 6 bandos on the day. Account balances are looking very healthy. And then now we just drop size back down. Chill out, go slow. I don't even think I need that. Chill out, go slow. Golfing today, you know, pickleball today, you know, we just living in the moment. Gotta be doing more than trading in life. And I've struggled with that before too. Hold up, I gotta go poop. I'll be right back. I'm back. As you can see the time, we were going for a while, defecating. But yeah, so, I mean, I really don't got much. A little 3-minute video. Kind of want to make it longer. Like, look at this price action. If y'all traded today, I hope y'all were careful and safe, because we literally, as a matter of fact, yeah, let's do like what we could have done today. So 9:30, what do we see? We see boom, move higher on NQ, complete chop till we see an expansion up and out. We come down, sweep out sell side liquidity. Do we put in a bullish SMT? Not here. This is the only sell side liquidity level I see swept. Let's go over to ES and see if that got swept. Oh, big time. We did put in a bullish SMT. Right here. ES comes down, sweeps out this low. What does NQ do? NQ fails to sweep out that same exact low, which then puts in a bullish SMT. And then what do we see? We need to wait, be patient. I see a very small imbalance here, very small imbalance here, and borderline no imbalance there. What do we see? 1 minute fair value gap form created here. And boom, could have potentially taken something. Here, stop below the S&P protected low, target higher. And obviously, that would have been very fruitful. But again, to me, like, realistically, sticking strictly to the model, this isn't an entry. Why? There's no change in the state, market structure shift, anything. Actually, wait, no. Not even here, bro. No, this isn't a change in the state in my book. It needs to be a series of tan closed candles. Series means more than one. So yeah, no change in the state. We wouldn't need to see market structure shift or change the state up here. And I don't dance with a 30-second because this might not even be a 30-second change in the state, and I don't really care. So realistically, if we're being completely honest, this trade shouldn't have been taken, in my model at least, and in how I trade and how I want to trade. Shouldn't have taken this trade, and then at that point, there really just wouldn't have been anything. Looking here, we had an internal SMT here, but then again, we'll see that today's price action, while efficient, there was a lot of chop on the way up, because we see that SMT get put in, and there's nothing, nothing until right here. Market structure shift changing the state of delivery, and then a fair value gap here. But realistically, I don't know if I'm trying to get involved in that when we're like so far. Stop below here. But yeah, man, like potentially could have taken this and then targeted higher, but you know, we didn't even trade today, and I don't care because I am done for the week. But I think that's gonna do it for the week. The Lucid evals didn't take anything on them. Not gonna trade those at all this week either. The Apex funded 6K up on the day on those. So yeah, pretty fire. Again, mistakes were made, but we're learning from them. And yeah, fixing our mindset with stuff and understanding that, hey bro, trading is just pushing buttons on the screen, and make sure you follow your rules and good things will happen. So that's all I got. Thank y'all for watching this dope, sick video. If y'all want to get a funded account, check out my link in the description for alpha. Get like 15-20% off. And yeah, appreciate y'all for watching. Peace.